Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to create a professional music video for your song, but didn't have a full production team, expensive cameras, or a large budget? Well, today I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that can help you turn your music into a complete cinematic music video. The tool I'm talking about is called One More Shot AI. It is an AI-powered creative studio that helps you create music videos, AI artists, visual content, and much more, all from one platform. So let's see how it works. Once you click the link in the video description and create an account, you will see a dashboard like this. From here, you can access different creative tools and features. You can create music videos, build AI artists, generate content, and explore other creative options. But in today's video, I will mainly focus on the music video feature because this is one of the most interesting tools available on the platform. So let's get started. Here, we have the main music video creation area. You can start by uploading your own music or song. For this demonstration, I will upload a copyright-free song. Once the song is uploaded, you can preview it directly from here and adjust the duration according to your requirements. After adding the music, now we need to describe what we want our music video to look like. You can enter a detailed prompt describing the story, location, characters, and overall visual style. You can also select different visual styles from here. There are multiple options available. You can also choose the aspect ratio based on where you plan to publish your video. The next step is to add a visual reference. You can upload an image of your singer, artist, or any character you want to feature in the video. Once everything is ready, click on the Generate button. Now, one more shot. AI will start processing the music, image, and prompt. The platform will analyze your song and generate the visual assets needed for your music video. Depending on the project, this process may take some time, so you just need to wait patiently while the AI works on your video. Once the initial assets are ready, you can review them and start the actual generation process. While this is processing, let's create another music video to see how the workflow works with a different song. This time, I will upload another music track. Let's preview the song first. Once the music is added, I can again upload a singer image, enter a detailed prompt, choose the visual style, select the aspect ratio, and start the generation process. This means you can create different music videos with different songs, characters, concepts, and visual styles. Now, let's go back and check the results. As you can see, both of our music video projects are ready. Let's play the first one. And here is the second music video. As you can see, One More Shot AI can help you turn a simple song and an image into a complete AI-generated music video. You don't need a large production team or expensive equipment to start creating. You can simply upload your music, add a visual reference, describe your idea using a prompt, select a style, and let the AI generate the visuals for you. And the platform is not limited to just music videos. You can also explore other features, including AI artists, content creation tools, lyric videos, and other creative options. This makes One More Shot AI useful for musicians, content creators, artists, filmmakers, and anyone who wants to experiment with AI-powered video creation. So if you want to create AI music videos, bring your songs to life or experiment with different creative ideas, you can check out One More Shot AI. The link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye!